Hello ladies and gentlemen, beautiful people, good morning. Deepak here again. Welcome to my channel, and today I have another phone to unbox, and it is the latest S20 FE. Alright, FE stands for Fan Edition, which is in 5G this one. Now the color I have right now is a cloud navy. Now this is the, let's say, economic version of buying a mixture of Note 20 and S20 combined. So they have a very beautiful 120 refresh rate screen, same as the regular Note 20, and a very nice triple system camera. So without further ado, let's crack it open, shall we? So that's it. Ooh, hear the sounds, huh? Okay. So if you see closely here, like you see, there are loads of small clip arts, like let's say crescent moon, flowers, smileys, cameras. So this is, I think, the target market will be for the youth and all. Why? Because it does come in different colorways, very nice colorways. So the one I have is cloud navy. So let gravity do the job. Yeah, come on. Is it? Yeah. Come on. No, it is stuck. Oh shoot, because it is not, I didn't break the seal. Okay, now let gravity do the job. Okay, so this is it. So it's a nice like cardboard packaging here we have, and here we have the phone, navy blue. Now inside the box you will have a like fast power brick. This is our 15 watt, and then we have is a Type-C charger. All right, so let's keep it aside and see. Let's see the actual device. Really, it has a very nice crease in the side, like two-tone finish, a matte and a polished finish. So looks good, really. It's a decent size. So let's turn it on. So come on. Okay. So you have the triple system camera system at the back, and a very good front facing camera, and 120 Hz refresh rate screen. So basically that's it. So this is the new Samsung S20 Fan Edition in navy, cloud navy color. So that's it, guys. So let me just proceed with the, let's see how it works later. Just a second. More, accept, skip anyway, skip, finish. All done. Okay, what is here? Oh, okay, they have like integration similar to that of Note 20, really. So it's like a side panel gesture, let's say, widget. That is neat. And this is the 120 Hz screen, which looks very cool, really. Very nice colors, and as we all know, Samsung is well known for this screen. So that's it. I think that's it. Let me not remove this one. No need. Alright guys, thank you so much for this subtle unboxing. Hope you guys liked it, and please stay tuned for further more. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Cheers.